Hello guys, in this video we use Chat GPT for coding project like Java coding. Okay, in this video we create a calculator, any project using Java code for the help of Chat GPT. Okay, and hello guys, I always keep bringing videos like HTML, CSS and JavaScript and Java, C++, any coding languages. And please like, subscribe my YouTube channel and comment and sharing my videos. So start this video and create any project. Hey Chat GPT, please create a calculator project with 3D buttons and responsive code in Java code. Okay, and then when enter on the prompt, then generate a code like then I copy the code and paste in this file, a new file create. Okay, any other name. Okay, then I save calculator.java file, and when I open this text file and this, when I paste, and I will create calculator.java and save it. Okay, then you see in and open the Visual Studio Code. Okay, when I copy and paste, okay, paste, and I run this file in window form. My file is running on the screen and run without debugging. Okay, this file is running